Welcome to RB Healthy Zone, your ultimate destination for fitness and health tips. If you struggle with bad posture due to long sitting hours, today's video is just for you. Let's dive into 7 powerful yoga poses that can help you stand tall and feel confident. Number 1. Mountain Pose. Let's start with Tadasana, also known as Mountain Pose. This simple yet effective pose improves body alignment, strengthens your back, and promotes awareness of posture. Stand tall, engage your core, and breathe deeply. Number 2. Cat-Cow Stretch. The cat-cow stretch is excellent for spinal flexibility. It relieves tension in your back, shoulders, and neck, making it perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting. Number 3. Downward Dog. One of the best yoga poses for spinal elongation. Downward Dog stretches your entire back, strengthens your shoulders, and helps correct a hunched posture. Number 4. Cobra Pose. The Cobra Pose strengthens your lower back, opens up your chest, and improves spinal flexibility, essential for maintaining a straight posture. Number 5. Child's Pose. A simple yet effective pose to release back tension and improve spinal alignment. This is a great way to relax and reset after a long day. Number 6. Warrior. This powerful pose strengthens your legs and core, promoting an upright stance. It also opens up your chest, helping you stand with confidence. Number 7. Bridge Pose. Bridge Pose is great for strengthening your back and improving spinal alignment. It also helps in reducing lower back pain caused by poor posture. Try incorporating these yoga poses into your daily routine for a better posture and a healthier spine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RB Healthy Zone for more fitness tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay strong. Thanks for watching.